I showed you how to scrap or post data using in Amazon website. Now I have made a GUI for that. You can see this is the front end. Here you have to put the Amazon link, message, username and password, whatever you will give, and that will post to the that link. So this is our link. I will paste it here. Message, I will put you did a great job. Okay, username, I here username is basically our mail ID, and this is our password. So now I will click on this top one seller. I will only post for the first. By the way, I did for all this thing. You can go for other top 5 sellers and you can post the data for all the sellers also. Now you can see with the help of Selenium we have come to this page, which is the where you can see the Amazon link same, and it's telling us we are posting data. So it's posting data. We have to wait. You can see now we have moved to second page. It's happening automatically. We I put some delays, sleep time for code so that you can see what's happening there. So now we have moved to second page, and it's totally depend on your internet speed and RAM. So it's you can see in the corner page is still loading. If you have a good internet speed, then it will go smooth, very fast. Just waiting to page load. Yes, page has been loaded. Now we are moving to another page. You can see it's moving, and here we are. You can see everything is filled automatically. We have moved to the uh, next page. We have logged in. uh, you can see now I've moved to the next page, and you can see here whatever you did great job is there. The only thing is I didn't post this message because I have posted so many messages. Even the seller would think what the hell this user is doing, posting same kind of message again and again. So in this way you can see here the title has been changed. All data has been posted, like that. So you will get messages like that only. So okay, thank you.